What's up? How are you guys? I'm a little bit sleepy. I really love the car ride. That's why I'm always sleeping, guys. Look at my hair, guys. I just showered. That's why I'm so relaxed right now. Hello, babe.
Hello. How are you?
Are you doing good?
Good. You tell them where we're going?
Not yet. Where are we going?
We're going to look for a new apartment, but it will be an actual house. So yeah, we're renting a house.
Yeah, like the whole house.
Yeah, which sucks because we would rather buy a house, but in the United States, the interest rates are too high right now, way higher than when we were looking originally a couple years ago. Anyways, so we found a house that we're interested in. Hopefully it's really nice, and then we'll move in there in a month and a half.
Our old apartment, guys, going to that new house na irerentahan namin. It will take us like 30 minutes, and from my work, how many minutes is that?
I think it's like 12 to 15 depending on traffic.
Oh, so it's 12 or 15 minutes, guys,
yeah,
away from my work. So not bad, because our apartment right now, going to my work, it takes us 10 minutes.
Yeah.
It depends on
if
the
I'm
traffic.
really fast.
Yeah.
15.
But Dominic sometimes can do it less than 10 minutes, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little dangerous, but I can do it sometimes.
And it's my day off today, guys, kaya iti-check namin yung house. Hope we will get it, but if not, Dominic will find another one.
Exactly.
Yeah, Dominic is the one who's doing the house hunting. So.
I got a list of different other ones. This is just our favorite.
There's the favorite one. That's why this is the first one we're gonna check.
And they already lowered the rent, so hopefully they're trying to win us over, or they already had people turn it away. So I guess we'll see.
How's the house? How's the house? Did you like it? Oh, he says nah. Guys, this is the neighborhood, by the way. Ayan yung neighborhood. Malinis siya. Ayan, malinis. Ayan. Hello, guys. We are home. Me and James, we're going to make a vlog. What's our vlogs all about? Huh? He said, guys, we're gonna unbox our package. Mommy just ordered some package from Shein and in Amazon. So let's unbox it. Are you ready? Let's do it. Yeah? Alright, let's open, guys. So ito yung una nating package. Me and James will open. Ooh. Ooh. So I ordered like a random stuff, guys, in Shein. So first thing, meron tayo itong plants. Ay! There is no pots in it, James.
Why you don't buy from there?
There's no pot, guys. In the video, guys, it comes with pot, but now in here it's nothing. Oh no! Ito, guys, lalagayan to ng soap. Plastic lang siya, hindi siya glass. Pero I like the color. Ayan yung kulay niya, parang brown. So ito naman is yung hugasan ng bottle niya. Ng bottle, ayan. So foldable pala siya. James, look at this. You can fold it. It's not even deep. Ay, not enough. Not bad. You can fold it, guys. Ayan. Ayan. Dito namin hugasan yung bottle ni James. Tapos, kapag tapos ka na, ipa-fold mo lang siya. Ito naman is kitchen towel. Ayan. Ayan, kitchen towel. Ang ganda niya. Lemon. Ayan. Dalawa na siya, guys. I love it. Do you love it, James? Ayan yung isa. Tapos, ito naman yung isa. Next one naman natin, ito, pang brush sa mga sapatos. Kasi Franco, lilinisan namin yung sapatos namin. Kasi magsa-summer na at mag-spring na. So, you know, we love walking. So, para malinis yung aming shoes. Okay, cover for James. Ay! Ay! Oba! Oba, Mommy, I'm watching my TV. You're covering my view. Opo, next one. Look. You wanna see? Get annoyed on me, guys. We're still vlogging. Yung next one naman natin, ito, panglinis ng window. Ooh. It's like a little bit big. Okay. Let's stop it first. Alright guys, change position kami ni James. Lipat siya dito sa swing niya. Ito guys, binili ko tong shorts. Medyo malaki. Ay, not bad. Kasya siya sa akin. Ganito daw kasi yung pag nag-measure kayo ng pants, dapat kasya sa leg ninyo. So, let's see. Try ko yan mamaya. Next natin na item is yung ito. Pang walking. Pang jogging. Maganda siya kasi may legging siya sa loob. Ayan. May legging siya sa loob. And color green siya. Parang dark green. Yung baby. Nanonood kasi siya guys ng ano. What's his watching babe? Panda? Kung Fu Panda guys. And then I put the camera. I put the camera on the TV side. So, natatakpan yung TV. And this is my second one. Whoa, Mommy's gonna be sexy, huh? You think? You like it, James? Ayan yung second na short, guys. Guys, look at that. Pang decoration yan sa wall. Parang boho style siya. Ayan. Oh, ito naman, pang cover sa toothbrush namin ni Dominic. Ayan guys, parang case siya ng toothbrush para hindi siya expose. So, ganyan. 5 peraso siya, iba-iba na siyang kulay. Bigay ko tong pink kay Dominic.
What?
Tapos ito naman, parang ano siya, parang adhesive. Ilalagay nyo siya sa mga corner ng, let's say, sa toilet ninyo, sa sink, or dun sa gas trench nyo para hindi pasukan ng dumi. So, ayan siya. Parang adhesive plate. Ito naman guys, lagayan ng cotton buds, yung panglinis sa ngipin, like floss, what else? Yung cotton pads, panlinis ng mukha. So, 4 na piraso na siya. Ayan. Ayan, glass pala yan siya guys. Tapos, kawayan yung lid niya. Oh, they're so cute, babe. Look at that guys. It's an artificial plants. Ayan din. Ayan yung other color. Yung isa naman, iba rin yan siya. Ito maganda. 4 yan sila guys. Package. Parang $8 ata bili ko. Tapos ito naman yung isa. Ayan. Iba din yung design yan. Guys, namamatay kasi yung mga bulaklak ko. Kaya I'm trying to just buy artificial because they will never die. Yeah. I'll show you my garden. May mini garden here. Kaya namamatay sila. So, bibili na lang ako ng plastic para pang forever na, diba? Walang forever, guys. So, ayan yung pang-4 natin na design. Ang ganda niya, ha? In fairness. Look. Ayan. Ito yung pang-3 natin. And then, let's see yung pang-4. Ay! James! You need to hold the other one, James, for Mama. And then, ito yung pang-4. Ayan, guys. $8 lang yung 4 na yan. Maganda siya. Sa Amazon ko naman in-order to guys. Pampaganda. Alam niyo kung ano to? Rice toner. Ito yung toner na ginagamit sa face, guys. Sa Korean skincare. Char. After nang nanganak ako, yung skincare na ginagamit ko is Korean stuff na. Ayan siya, guys. So, rice, rice toner. Yan. Paubos na kasi yung isa, kaya bago maubos, bumibili na ako agad. What do you think is this, James? Do you have any guess? Habi? I was like, Mommy, you're buying a lot of stuff, Mom. Don't tell Daddy, okay? It's just our secret, okay? Don't tell Dad. It's just our secret. Ay, meron pala tayong eggs. Mag-Easter na kasi Sunday. So, gusto kong mag-picturean si James, guys, ng outfit. James, there is a chicken on it. Blue naman, no? Kung ano yung kulay ng itlog, din yun yung kulay ng ano niya. Ng laman. Ayan, ang cute. Pink. Na yan naman yung outfit, guys. Itong hat. Hindi ko siya sa akin. Let's try, James, man. James. Ay! Let's try, James. Ay! So, hat siya, guys. Parang yung concept is rabbit siya. Bunny. So, ayan yung sa head niya. Tapos, ito yung parang underwear niya. Tapos, ito yung buntot. Ayan. Basta, ipipicturean ko na lang siya. Tapos, i-upload ko, guys. Tapos ito yung carrots niya. See! You got carrots because you're a bunny, remember?
Yeah.
That's your carrots. Ito yung first shorts natin. Ooh! Sexy! Ayan siya. Guys, this is the second one. Medyo masikip yung second one natin. Ayan, labas yung pek-pek. Ayan, guys. I like it. Perfect. I'm chugging. I love it. James! Wow! He's already trying his bunny hair.
Hey, testing it out. You okay?
Why your face like that?
What'd she do to you?
Where's your carrots?
Oh.
Guys, our thing's messy.
Yeah, this is my wife shopping.
Shopping for more. Here's your carrots.
Oh.
Here's your carrots.
Gonna hold it?
You have to hold your carrots because you're hungry. No?
Nope. There
No?
it is.
Ay.
Yep. Oh,
Hey.
it's okay. All right. Like Mama's not dress up time.
Okay. Okay, B. He hates hot, guys.
He
I
does.
don't understand this kid.
Poor boy.
That's why we never put
Never put
hats
hats
on
on
him.
him. He hates them.
I like it, James, when you go out. You should wear that one.
Look great though, pal. Oh no, is she
James.
dressing you up like a doll? Oh no.
James!
Oh no.
Alright, it's time for me to clean these guys and put them together. Hello, what's up? Look, this kid again. Hindi siya tumataga, guys, sa isang position. Gusto niya lagi, iba-iba. Kita niyo naman. Looking around. Ha, bata? Ha, bata? Sometimes, guys, nakakatulog yan siya dito. Gusto niya kasi yung nilalakad-lakad. Tan, taran, taran, tararan, tararan, boom, 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 taran, taran, boom, taran, taran, tararat, tararat, boom, boom, boom. Abaw, look at that baby, look. But which is the one thing I like with James, because he likes to look around. Ayan. Hi, James. James. He's looking at this light, guys. Ayan yung tinitingnan niya. What is that? Huh? Lights? Did you like it? Huh? Pretty, no? Pretty? Pretty, babe? Look at his feet, guys. Maganda to kasi may upuan siya dito. Ito, dito siya umuupo. Ayan. Nabili lang namin to sa Amazon. Talagang, siya, gamit na namin to. Tararan, tararan. So, libre yung dalawa mong kamay. So, kung gusto mong magluto or anumang gusto mong gawin, mahirap lang kung yumuko, guys, kasi baka malaglag siya. So, dapat, ka talaga, magsasquat ka pag may pipikapin ka. Tararat, tararat, boom, boom, boom. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Wow! Kapogi ang baby ko. Ah! Look at his view, guys. He always likes to watch this pictures right here. That's why Dominic put it over there. So that's me and him. And that one when we're still dating. B! Yeah, look at it. He's watching it right now. He really loves it.